give yourself enough time and also make it as easy as possible for them. So if you're doing paper RSVP cards, on the envelopes for the RSVP cards, pre-stamp them, pre-address them, make it as easy as possible for them so that all they really have to do is just fill out the RSVP card, put it in the envelope, and then shoot it your way. You also want to give yourself enough time because if you have any late responders, and we all know we do, you want to make sure that you have enough time to follow up and give them a call, send them an email just to find out what their RSVP is. Give yourself about a month to a month and a half before the event to collect your RSVPs, because you have to remember your venue and your caterer are probably going to want your guest count about 10 days before the event. So you really can't wait until the day before or the day of the event to know how many guests you're going to have attending. So if you're going to do paper cards, do give yourself enough time, pre-stamp and pre-address the envelopes. But also there's a lot of great easy to use online RSVP systems that you can integrate into event websites. And those are super efficient, very organized, and also environmentally friendly because it eliminates the use for paper and postage costs and assembling and mailing out for your guests. So it just makes it easier for them to log in and give you their RSVP.